Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day. Every day like this I take. But today we make meatloaf. And I got it right over here. I chop by myself all the meat. And we gotta use onion. The onion I saute, can give more good taste. I gotta use the ketchup, parsley. I gotta flake out the pepper. And this is my problem for the Winchester Shushan. Everybody know this one over here. I gotta use bacon right on the top. We got pemmican bread. I gotta use milk, and I use 1 egg. Now, for start, let's start do like this. I take the milk, and I put it right inside the pemmican bread over here. Get this out, and I got the spoon, and I want to mix a little bit. Okay, and this we put on the side over here. Now we got the onion, and we put it right over here with the meat. Okay. Now we got 1 egg. I gotta use a little flake hot pepper. But so you don't want to use hot, no use. I like my oil, baby. I use flake hot pepper. Now, we got some ketchup, and we put it together right over here.
Onions have been sauteed, yes.
Yes, saute the onion and garlic together. Now, we got a parsley.
Thanks for the stars, Carol.
Thank you for the start, everybody. Now, it's my sauce over here. It's my sauce. And let's put it right over here. It's enough. Okay. And on the side, like I say, I saute the string beans with the butter. Okay, now we mix it like this a little bit. But after, I know I gotta use my hands. It's more easy.
Does everybody know how to say Worcestershire sauce?
Yeah, I know. Winchester Shushan. Okay, I wash my hand. Now I gotta mix the meat by hand. Okay, let me dry. Good. And let's start mix. Oh, it's so nice, you see? I do the massage. All right, look at that. Okay, now we got the pemmican bread and the milk.
Where's everybody tuning in from today?
Okay, this hands it's clean. I know what's a touch or not. But salute cincin everybody. A salute. Okay, now let's make this really, really good. This you gotta be really good meatloaf.
Michelle said she got your last year's calendar and made a recipe every month.
Good. Wait when I see mine again. I gotta show you. Wait. Now my hands it's too busy.
You're going to have a new calendar for next year?
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.
Who's excited for the 2024 recipe calendar?
Me! Okay, now, this is a mix. When you mix the meat, like, what do you gotta do next? What do you gotta do?
You got to put it in there, right?
Oh, no.
Throw it at the wall?
You see this? Yeah. Perfecto. Perfect. All right. Now, here. Okay, see, when I was saute the onion and the garlic, I was making sure to put a good little salt and the meat. Before I chop everything with the machine, I put salt and black pepper. That's why it tastes already good. Now, it's time to put on this dish.
Thank you for the stars, Bill.
Okay? And now we gotta do nice the syrup like this.
So that's beef, pork, and veal?
Yes. Veal, pork, and beef. Okay, now I want to wash, but it's okay. I don't wash now after I gotta wash. And now we put the bacon right on the top, like this.
Who loves bacon?
Me again. I like. Okay. All right, now let me wash my hand now.
That looks great. Can't wait to eat this in about 10 minutes. That's all it takes to cook, right? Like 10 minutes?
The cook?
Yeah.
1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour. Oh.
1 hour. 1 minute. Okay, now let's put this right over here. I clean this dish. And what I want to do now, let's go on the stove. And I got to do this.
String beans.
Okay.
Got a little sweet
And I
potato.
got some sweet potato too. Okay, now.
Bill said you got to put the oven to 400.
The oven? I put the oven on 399.99. Okay, now we use butter. Okay. And the butter now you gotta melt. And I got the almond over here. I gotta put it. And let me bring the string beans over here.
Who loves string beans? What do you guys think is string beans?
String beans, they're really good.
You'll be able to rewatch this after it's done being live so you can check and see what the ingredients are. So you're gonna like toast them, I guess?
Yeah, I toast a little bit of the almond over here. Not too much, okay? You don't want to burn, okay? Now this is, you do a little bit more. At the same time, we do salute e cincin ad everybody. A salute! Okay. Now it's time of the string beans.
Those were boiled already? Or is that...
What do you think? You look like a boil or not boil?
I don't know, I can't tell.
It's a boil.
Okay.
It's a cook already. Don't think you gotta saute a little bit, that's all. The warm up of the string beans. Alright, we load the gas on this. Now, you see, I did the meatloaf. Oh, you gotta see what it look like.
I mean, I said 10 minutes.
Huh? 10 minutes.
But before you show that, let's show the calendar.
Alright. Wait. Look how beautiful. Huh?
New cover. Awesome design. Diana worked on that. We got January chicken cacciatore. Everybody loved the escarole and beans, so we put that for February.
Yes, Carol, the beans that's really good. The beans that's good for the holiday, big holiday.
Tilt it like this a little bit.
Okay.
Because there's a glare. Yeah. So nice. Yeah, flip through like 2 more.
Okay.
So people know what is inside.
Oh, it's one or two. It's this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Chicken lasagna. Yeah, so the link is there. You should be able to see it. It's on the screen. And if you're interested, you can check it out.
Everything good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. Okay, let's put on the side. And now, the string beans. Put a load of gas. All right, now we turn off this. And we gotta ready to go.
Huh. How'd you do that?
Look at this. Huh? Okay, it's 1 hour.
We just time traveled on a live stream.
It's this over here. Okay. Oh, look at that. Now I need the dish. I want to taste it.
Which one looks better?
Huh?
Which?
Oh, look at the bacon. Oh, I like the nice crispy bacon. Look at that. Huh?
Ooh, looks nice and soft.
Okay, so everything looks good.
I said everything is better with bacon. Yep.
Look at that. And now I want to pick up little string beans. You wait over here, come back. Little string beans. A little potato. All right. Look at that. And my wine. Don't forget the wine. All right. Look at the meatloaf. Look how beautiful.
Oh, it smells good. Looks like it's cold. It's still cold. Really hot.
Really, really good. It come out delicious. I want to say everybody, thank you very much for this recipe. I hope somebody make. It's really, really good. Salute e chin chin to everybody, and thank you so much. Thank you, and we see next time. Chin chin, salute, and happy Thanksgiving. Don't forget the cook is in my city. The torque we call uwich, taquino. Salute e chin chin.